Hello and welcome to How to Play Army Ants, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Army Ants. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need the aces up to the 9s in each suit, 1 black queen and 1 red queen. One player will play with the red cards and the other with the black cards. Each player will shuffle their cards and lay them out in rows of 5. The last row will have a gap in the center spot. The object of the game is to capture the opponent's queen. A card is captured by a higher ranking card, with any card being able to capture the queen. Cards can move around in 4 ways. A swap move is made by swapping 2 adjacent cards. A march move is made by moving 1 or more cards in a horizontal or vertical line. A move out move is made by moving 1 card horizontally or vertically or both through open spaces. An attack move is made by taking over an opponent's card of lesser or equal value. The game begins with each player making 5 moves on their own side of the battlefield. The first 5 moves can only be a march move or a swap move. The red player will go first. Red starts with a swap move. Play moves to black. Black makes a march move. Play moves back to red. Players will alternate turns, taking either a march move or a swap move until each player has made 5 moves. After each player makes 5 moves, the battle begins. Now players can make a move out or attack move in addition to the march or swap moves. Red goes first with an attack move on the black 8. The 8 is removed. Play moves to black, who makes a move out move with the black 9. Play moves back to red, and players continue to take turns making moves. The first player to capture the opponent's queen wins the game. Here, red has cornered the black queen and makes the attack move to win the game. An attack move can be made on a card of equal rank. When done, both cards are eliminated from the game. A card can never move diagonally, and a card can never jump another card. If a player's queen is dealt into the first row, the player can choose to move the queen to the open space in the back row instead of making 5 beginning moves. The queen card cannot make an attack move. That wraps up how to play Army Ants. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.